Welcome back, Silverpunks. Today we've got a little bit of a departure, something a little bit different. Isn't hand-poured silver, we've actually got a piece of proper minted silver, a coin. Are you getting that? Look at that bad boy. Now obviously this is Queen Victoria, and on the back here, or the obverse, or I'm not into this front and back. We'll call it front and back at Silverpunk. I know it's called obverse and what have you, but there you go. On the front, because it's a coin, so Monarch's head for me is front. So you've got Queen Victoria, and on the back you've got old George on his horse slaying the dragon. Are you getting that? I'll try and zoom in for you. Cool coin. Now this is in fact a crown. It's made of 925 sterling silver. So it's not pure silver, it's not 3 nines fine like we pour with, it's 925. As obviously being a coin, it needs to be quite hard wearing, because it's just like, look at that, it's just how many people have owned that, how many hands has it been through, what's it bought. It's just so cool. It's history in your hand, isn't it? Really is. Now I do love watching some of the other guys' videos on YouTube, doing all the reviews, all the stackers of the coins and stuff. Now this was just a little bit out of the blue. I was having a bit of a tidy up in the office, and I found this sitting there in a bunch of other stuff. And I just thought it'd be interesting just to have a look. So there you're getting that. It's about 39 millimeters wide. It weighs approximately 28 grams of 925 sterling silver. You're getting that. Now this is what they call Queen Victoria. This one with a little crown on her head. This is the Jubilee head crown, because for obvious reasons, because she's got the crown on, and it's the image from the Jubilee. And you have lots of different ones. You can get the veil head when she's got a veil over after Albert died. There's an earlier one, the bun head, just with how her hair is and what have you. But yeah, just a cool little crown. I think dated 1889, as you can see down there. So it's got some age, obviously, late Victorian period, but just a cool coin. And I think for this day, I had a quick look up on the internet, I think there was just over 1.8 million made, so there's only 1.8 million of those minted. So I presume over the years some will be lost, and I suppose some dudes will melt them down. Not that you meant to, I don't think, but yeah, there you go, little departure for us here at Silverpunk. Just thought you might enjoy that. So there it is. You getting that bad boy? Right, better get back to the day job, the normal stuff. The furnace is up to temperature, so I'll be back with you guys next time when we have a pouring video. Cheers.